my grade 4 students. Have a nice day. This is me again, your teacher Erica. So today we will talk about, as you can see on the screen, a different types of angles. Everybody say angles. Okay. So let's proceed. Okay. So angles, as you can see here in this example, a clock. Okay, you see these two hands, one short hand and the long hand. Okay, so this is the best example of the angle. It has this one arm and another arm, or the hand, or this is also called a side. Okay, so it rotates. As you can see, it rotates. So this one is an example of the angle. Okay? So it forms angle when the two sides meet. Okay. So this is an example of the angle, this one. One side or one hand and then another side or another arm or hand. Okay. When they meet to this point, it forms an angle. Okay? So this too is also called an arm, or we usually use the word side. The sides of the angle. Okay? And then this one is the vertex. The vertex is where these two sides or two arms meet. So they meet at this point, which is called vertex. Okay? So the symbol for degree is this one. It's like a small O or zero on the upper part of the number. Okay, so you can see in our next examples. Okay, so we have here protractor. Protractor is used to measure the angles. You can see here, it has a center point, okay, or middle or central point. So from here, if you come from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then up to 180. But if you are from here, so this is the 0. Okay, you look at this part. But the right way is that from here to there. Okay. So please watch this presentation. So from 0, as you can see, okay, up to 180. And then go down and go back to 0. So it rotates. It rotates like a clock. Alright? So from 0, okay, from 0, then it moves up, like example 30 degrees, 50, 40, okay, and like 245 degrees, okay. So depending on the position of the arms or sides, where we can find the different types of the angle. So it depends on the position of the arms or the sides of the angle. So let's discuss further. So we have here first angle, type of angle. Okay, from 0 it moves upward. So this is an example of the acute angle. Why it is acute? Because the measure, let's say angle A, the measure of angle A is less than 90 degrees. So any number from between 0 to and 90 degrees. Okay, so for example, we have 30 degrees, 89 degrees. Okay, so acute angle or any number between 0 and 90. Okay, but it's not 90. Okay, it's no longer acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So 45 degrees, 77 degrees. What else? Um, 21 degrees, okay? As long as it is less than 90 degrees, so it is acute angle. Understand? Okay, next we have, so what if it is exactly 90 degrees? The measure is exactly 90 degrees, so it is called right angle. Okay? Again, it is called right angle. The measure of the angle is exactly 90 degrees. Okay. What if it's okay, let's have this. Okay, what if the angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees? So that is an example of the, okay, let's go back here. This is an example of the obtuse angle, okay? So any number between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Example, 91 degrees. What else? 100 degrees. 175 degrees. Okay? So it's between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Okay, next. Another example. So we have, what if it's more than 100 or exactly 180 degrees? So it is called a straight angle. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Okay? Next. What if it's more than 180 degrees? Like this one. Angle A is more than 180 degrees. It rotates more than. So if it's more than the angle A, if the angle A is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, it is called reflex angle. Everybody say reflex angle. Okay. Next, angle. So what if it continues to rotate and go back to this 0 degrees? So it is 0 degrees or 360 degrees. It rotates from 0 going back. Okay? So that is a complete angle. Okay? Angle A equal to 0, 0 angle. And then it rotates going back to where it started. So that is a complete angle. It rotates completely. Okay, so let's have a quick review. So this is an example of the acute angle. Next, we have right angles, obtuse angles, straight angle. Again, acute angle, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angle, reflex angle, and 0 angle. But and the last one, complete angle. But in your worksheet, we just focus on this part. Okay? So you have to draw different types of the angles. So if you need to review, just play this video again. Okay? So for you to answer for your worksheet. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye.